Hello friends, today we have made a room heater that is powered by electricity. You can use it in your room and it requires very little electricity. It can be made from 300 rupees up to 350 rupees. First of all, you have to buy a bulb holder which will be available for 100 rupees to 150 rupees. Apart from this, you need a heating element which will be available for 80 to 100 rupees. Let's see the complete method of creating the project in video. Be with us. The electric current does not go to the corners of the rod but to the nut bolt installed in the rod. It will take 4 bolts to make the heater stand. Subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting and useful projects like this. You also share your unique ideas with us in the comments so that we can make videos based on those ideas for you.